Looking for the best single cup coffee makers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 single cup coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ninja Coffee Bar, single serve system with built-in frother. Pros: 5 brew types give you coffee the way you want it. Frother lets you easily make specialty drinks. Advanced thermal flavor extraction technology gives you delicious coffee every time. Comes with hot/cold tumbler. Cons: some users report breakdowns after a few months, but it doesn't seem to be a widespread issue. Bottom line: a superb single cup coffee maker that has a built-in foaming arm and doesn't rely on coffee pods. At number 2. Hamilton Beach, single serve scoop coffee maker. Pros: stands out for its sleek design. Uses regular ground coffee, so there's no need to buy expensive pods. Customers appreciate the bold setting for premium coffee. Cons: some units don't heat the water hot enough to make a really good cup of joe. Bottom line: this solid feeling stainless steel option offers excellent quality for an affordable price. At number 1. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker. Pros: extremely easy to use. Compatible with all K-Cups, including my K-Cup reusable pods and generic pods. Offers a choice of 4 cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, and has a large, 52-ounce reservoir. Cons: feels flimsy compared to similar models. Bottom line: a straightforward and reliable option from a big name in single-serve coffee makers. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.